For me, I'm gonna be using xm.com. So that's it, and then let's go next. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a real MetaTrader 4 account. So MetaTrader 4 account is very famous in foreign exchange industry, and it's being touted as the most popular forex trading platform. And you can use it to analyze the financial markets by using the tools that they have in here. So first of all, how do we get this into our PC? So you cannot create a MetaTrader account online. You can only create an account once you have downloaded the app, and you can download it here. So for this video, we're going to be using the MetaTrader 4. So we'll click on that, and then we'll click on download for free. And then it will send us to this page. And since we're using Windows, I'm going to be going here and click on download MetaTrader 4 for Windows. And then I already have it downloaded, so it will look like this. As of right now, this is just a demo account, which means it does not really affect anything on you, and it's merely just a simulation, although it is showing you the real stocks updates happening right now. And if you go here to file and then open an account, you have the option whether if you go here to MetaCodes, you usually only have the ability to create a demo account because this is just for simulation, and you will need to have an account, a true account from another forex exchange broker. For example, I have created an account using XM, which is also a trading platform that is more famous here in the Philippines, and so I have chosen something that is more local. And in order to create an account on MetaTrader that is live, you need to have an account on your broker as well. So since I've chosen XM, I have opened an account here, and I already have an account. So it depends on which account that you want to use, but it's up to you. It doesn't need to be the same as mine. So let's go back to MetaCodes here, and then let's head over to file, and then we click on open account. So you just need to search up here the website that you are using. For me, I'm gonna be using xm.com. So that's it, and then let's go next. Then it might take a while for some websites. It won't take a while for some. And then here we have the option to connect with an existing trade account. So I'm just gonna log in using my XM account. So if we get over here to our Google Mail and check the email that they sent to you. For me, XM sends these things here, which is in order to verify your profile. They also send the empty ID or the ID that you can use to log in. So basically the credentials. So I'm gonna be using this for the real account. And let's go back here, and then let's log in here, and then let's use the password that we use for our account. And there we have it. We have an account on MetaTrader. So it's really up to your what website you're using on, or what broker you're using. You can check over their website, you can explore, and you can head over to your settings. Maybe you'll find your personal information there as to what credentials you can use in order to log in into your MetaTrader. Just for you to remember, you need both a broker account and to download MetaTrader 4 onto your platform or your operating system before you can create an account on MetaTrader 4. And that is it. That is how you can make an account on MetaTrader 4. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.